welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. If you saw my last vlog, wannabe podcast, I described a lot what was going on with me mentally. So I did feel like I needed to take a small break from filming and then just do a little bit of, just to have a small break. Not so much that I'm done with the internet, or no, I'm not like that kind of YouTuber. I just wanted to relax for a little bit. That's it. But I do miss playing with makeup. I miss filming. I have now I'm getting insomnia again because I have all these ideas in my head that I need to get out. So yes. Today's eye look is gonna be something different, because I guess at this point you can say I'm a Jeffree Star collector, because I mean, I use everything. I've used almost every lipstick that I own, and I say almost because I gotta figure out like other ways to do it, or combine. But I've used every palette except for one. I've used every lip gloss. I love the product. The product is so good that when I first time bought one palette of Jeffree Star, like, I haven't been able to stop. I do have other brands like Juvia's Place, ColourPop, but surprisingly I don't have an e.l.f. Well, I only have one e.l.f., but I haven't gone back to it. But I really do love their skin products, like their foundation, concealer, eye primer, stuff like that. But this time I wanted to try Melt Cosmetics, because they are independent company, but their design is so beautiful. So the one I got is called She's in Parties. This one right here. That's the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful. I love it. And then here she is. Look at that gold. It's so pretty. And then the inside is this. So I did dye my hair green, fully green. So the colors that I've been gravitating are more on this side, the dark side. So I'm definitely gonna go by from here to here is where I'm gonna start. We have Skeleton Kiss, Strange Love, Total Immortal. I feel like I'm saying Urkel, but no. Immortal, something like that. Last Caress, She's in Parties, Sleepwalk. Ooh, see, I kept paying attention to the colors, not so much the names. Mean Streak, Lost Control. Ooh. Well, what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna do this one right here, and this is gonna be my shimmer for sure. And this one. Yeah, I'm gonna do just 3 colors. Oh, well, this one maybe for transition, but these 3 and this one. There's one really shimmery, and I think the other ones are kind of shimmery, but I only see 3 mattes. Yeah. See, this one right here looks more peachy on the camera, but it's without the camera, it's more on the purple side. So, okay, we'll go from there. Let's see. Oh, I also got 2 of their lipsticks. One of them is called Overkill, and it's this like purple. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The other one is called Amulet. And it's like this like burgundy-ish color. So, oh, and it smells like candy. Oh my god, it smells like candy. I love when makeup smells like candy. Even though I don't really eat a lot of candy, but that's a lie. I do, but I mostly eat chocolate, and I stopped chewing gum because my jaw hurts. But I eat chocolates sometimes sour candy, a lot of Mexican candy, except for one, because one of those made me throw up. Yeah, but if they smell sweet, I love it. Okay, so first I am going to start with turtle. I'm gonna grab JS8 and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I already primed this eye, as you can tell. This is what my skin looks like, gross. And this is what it looks like with the eye primer. So I'm gonna use that. And then okay, next color, I'm going to use this one. It's called Last Caress. If I butcher any of these names, I am so sorry. I don't know how to talk. So now I'm gonna go, because I didn't think it was gonna be this dark, I'm gonna go back and forth with Total Immortal. I give up. The light one and then the dark one. I do see a little bit of fallout, but I personally don't care. But I feel like I should have done my eyes first. Let's see. Will it wipe off with ease? Oh, it does. Huh. I like that. Now I'm gonna use this one. Mean Streak. I really love these colors. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. Okay, the middle is gonna be Strange Love. This one right here. Oh, I really want to touch it. Sleepwalk looks good too. Nobody wants to sleepwalk. Ooh. This is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try with the brush. Works with the brush. No, it looks... No, I think it's better with the finger. Except I have long nails, so, you know, I'm gonna try not to stab my eye. Beautiful. This is like a really nice purple tone. Purple on the cool side. That's if I'm using the theory correctly. Okay, so you gotta be very careful, because now all this is covered in glitter, which is fine. I don't mind. But if you're someone who doesn't like that, then with these, I would recommend to do your eyes first and then your face, unless you're the kind of people that likes to buy those under eye thingies. I don't care for them. If I've offended you with that, I'm sorry. That I'm not sorry. See, this is giving me Ursula, and now I'm evil. Alright, next up. That was it. I'm just gonna do my eyeliner, eyelashes, and then actually I should do the bottom. I'm gonna do the bottom. The bottom, I'm only gonna do Mean Streak, I think. Joker ideas. I think for the inner corner and this one, I don't feel like using this one right here. I'm gonna find a different highlighter to highlight the inner corner. Actually, I'll do that right now. I'm gonna use Jeffree Star's Ice Cold. I got this in a mystery box. Ooh. Where's my brush? Blend this here. And then put this in here. All done. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I bought new lashes, but you know they're the same style. They're not anything crazy. They're the Ardell Wispies, the original. These ones. And then I'll do the second eye. Still debating which lipstick to use. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look, and as you can see, I got my hair done. I cut it shorter. It's green. Oh, this is giving me like a crossover with Beetlejuice and the Joker from Suicide Squad. Oh god, look at this. It smells so good. It's like high pigmented gloss, and I was wondering why it was like kind of like streaky, but it's gloss. It's not, yeah, it's lip gloss, but it's pigmented lip gloss. So I was like, okay, that makes sense. And oh, I love this color so much. It goes with the eyes, my hair. Oh, and also I got a shirt from Milk Cosmetics, and it's perfect. It's right here, Beetlejuice on my back. I don't know if you guys can see it. If not, I'll figure a way to do it, but this is the final look. I'm like, this is good makeup. This is my first time trying Milk Cosmetics, so I'm just like at awe. Like everything, it goes with my hair. I'm just like enjoying it right now so much. I don't want to take it off. I'm gonna have to, because you're not supposed to sleep with your makeup on, because that's how you get breakouts. That's how you age faster, I think, get wrinkles. I don't know, it's bad for your skin. That's what I know, and especially your eyes. That's how you get styes and stuff. But this is the final look. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the lips. Alright, well that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. Don't forget to check out my vlog, Margie Presents Hello Random. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.